This is the baby blanket. I did a tutorial on this. So this is the finished product. I did the slip stitch, half double crochet, stitch pattern to give a little bit of a texture, and then this is just a pattern where I created a border. So we do single crochet, 2 rows of double crochet, and then the ruffle. I have a tutorial. I created this ruffle pattern. If you want to know how to do the ruffle, I do the ruffle. I do share how to do that in the tutorial. It's actually pretty easy, but I do actually have a tutorial on the ruffle. And then it's just I have a baby hat. Now this is for a newborn. This is a small baby blanket. It is 20, I think it's 20, I measured it's like 22 inches. So it's just a small baby blanket for a newborn. And then newborn hat. Okay, and this is actually this is the first time I've used this particular pattern for a baby booty, and I think I'm going to do a tutorial on that. It's actually pretty easy. I don't know who created the pattern. I've seen several videos of people doing that. Nobody's actually said where the pattern came from, but it's been around for a long time. But it's just a cute, simple, easy crochet baby booty. So this is 0 to 3 months. And I may do a tutorial on that. Let me know in the comments if you're interested in tutorial, please. I'd like to have some feedback on that. So anyways, this is a baby blue. Thank you, Bella Crochet Gifts. I used the super soft acrylic red heart yarn that she sent me in the big box of wonderful gift of the yarn. And it's 100% acrylic, but it's super soft. It really is. And so anyways, I normally don't do ruffles on, you know, boy blankets, but I just thought it was really, really cute. And so anyways, I'm going to do a girl baby blanket, and I'm going to have the palm ruffle. So if you are interested in knowing how to do the palm ruffle border, it's not, I'm sorry, not palm ruffle, the palm edging is what I'm going to do on the next baby blanket that I'm going to do. And anyways, so here's this one. And then I did 3 more these are the twisty ear warmer headbands. I love this. Oh, thank you so much, Bella, for this yarn. I've never got to work with nice bulky Chanel yarn like this before. This is probably the thickest yarn I've ever worked with, and I really love it. But it is such a pretty, deep, rich navy blue. It almost has like almost a purple tint to it, but it is so, so pretty. And this is probably my favorite yarn ever. Oh my gosh, it's so soft. I can't even, oh my gosh, and the color, that is so rich. So I did this one in honor of Honey because her hair was so soft. And yeah, so this one I'm going to keep for myself. And yeah, so I teamed that up with some brown regular yarn. Thank you, Bella, so much for that. And then this, woo-wee, that is so soft. Yeah, this is like a silky soft. But I thought that would make a really cute, this is a ear warmer headband. And so there was enough in that skein to do that. And I teamed it up with some lavender yarn for extra warmth. Yeah. So then there is this blanket. I used, I think, all of this blue, and this is actually, the color is actually dusty blue. It's kind of like a gray, but it has just a hint of blue in it. So it was a perfect match for this really beautiful, deep, rich navy blue that almost has a sprinkle of purple in it. It just like, looks like navy blue, but almost looks purple. Just really a rich color. And I've got this light right on it. So at any rate, so this is a throw size blanket, you know, it's a lap blanket. And it is so heavy and warm. I mean, I could just cuddle up with that and just be super warm. So I've never made a blanket for myself in my life. And I haven't made a big blanket. I've just made baby blankets. So this is the first time I've made one, a big blanket in a long time. And so thank you so much for that, Bella. So all the rest of this yarn that she sent me, I'm going to be making stuff to donate, maybe do a couple giveaways, and also to try to make some things to try to make some money, put on my Etsy store. Yes, so such a blessing. Thank you so much. But this, I just love this big bulky yarn for a lap blanket. I mean, I can't even express how awesome that is. Can't even express it. Thank you so much. Now this is my fun fur yarn. It's like kind of like a hot pink. I have a lot of pink fun fur yarn from that palette that I got. And then now I had some awesome fun fur new novelty yarn I've never even worked with, thanks to Bella. And so this is what's called, this is a scrunchie in the center, and it is called the Messy Bun Beanie. And if you are interested in learning how to make that, it is so easy. Let me know, and I'll be happy to do a tutorial video on that. And of course with the matching scarf. I don't do my scarves really long. I don't like really long scarves. You know, I like to like tuck them in my coat. But anyways, this candy cotton peppermint whatever, that is such a pretty pink. My gosh, look at that. And it's so soft, of course. Look at that. And of course put some fringe on it. Now I have this hat, and I made this palm with a palm maker. I do have a tutorial on the palm maker. Now I have a glow-in-the-dark butterfly that I was going to put on here. I thought that would be really cute. But anyways, that's just this is a not very soft at all. Just a regular, really light pink acrylic yarn that I have. And but it makes for a good winter hat. And all of these I will put on my my Etsy store if anybody's interested in that. And I'm going to be wanting to do some things for giveaway too. Now this is another type of baby booty that I have done, and I can't remember. I think that I've done a tutorial on this. It's called the kimono baby booty, and it's pretty simple. It's not my favorite baby booty, but it is a simple baby booty if you like that look, and you could put a little decor right there. It's got kind of a square look to it, but it's really cute. It's a popular baby booty, and it's actually very simple to do. Very simple to do. I think I like the one that I did tonight better.